What's going on, YouTube? You are back with another video. In today's video, I want to go over Matic Network. It's a coin that I enjoy. It's been around a long time and everybody has heard about it because it's so strong. Let's jump right into this. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off. I want to show you the strength of Matic over the long run and just some history on it. Maybe you guys know about it, maybe you guys don't. But this right here is May of 2019. And so as you can see, from May of 2019, Polygon has kept its strength the whole time and barely reaching under the low point that it hit back in July of 2019. This circle I have here is actually when Bitcoin started to make its turn up, the big explosion that happened after the halving. This is October of 2020. And that's when that happened. But you see on Matic, the explosion happened in December. So it happened a little bit later. And as you can see here, if you're looking at the Bitcoin chart, March of 2021 was actually the first peak of Bitcoin. And so if you would have sold your Matic at the first peak of Bitcoin, you would have missed out on another 579%. And that's a huge number. So if you would have sold your BTC at the peak, the first peak, around 58,000, I think it was, you sold all your coins, you would have missed out on a 579% move of Matic. Matic has been such a strong coin over the long run. So let's get back into this. As you can see, Matic, when it peaked out, it stayed at the height for a very long time before reaching 40 cents. Okay, after it reached 40 cents, this is the lowest it's been. So right now we're sitting at 91 cents. In my opinion, Matic has such strong foundation. I don't know if we're gonna go under 40 cents again unless we're pushing the long wicks. And let me show you an example right here. When we pushed this long wick, this was right before the halving. So March 2020 was the halving. Okay, that's when Bitcoin halved. And as you can see, people had already anticipated the halving. So they actually jumped out of Matic into BTC. And this fall here was that jump into BTC. And it happened to all the coins. It happened to Ethereum, it happened to all the big coins. So the same thing's happening. But in this, what's happening now, we've already hit that bottom. I don't know if Matic is gonna go under this support line of 30 cents again. Just like in the last bear market, it didn't drop under that same support line. I don't think Matic will drop under that last support line. But what that means is that Matic can also still hit 30 cents, maybe possibly a little bit lower than 30 cents. But that's the risk of Matic right now. You're still talking about a 68% move down. So Matic, even though as strong as it is for the alt, it just hasn't given up the percentages it's made yet. But over the time, as you can see with the log curve, it moves upwards. So over time, it's going to meet the bottom, just like it did here, and jump back up. So what we're looking for, again, Matic is still one of the strongest coins. So just to let you guys, just showing you guys some info of what I'm seeing. I think Matic's a great coin. I think that it definitely could still fall, but it's holding on real tight. But this is the next halving of March 2024. Okay, before we hit that halving, I do expect Matic to come touch this line before the touch this support line, the same support line right here. I do believe it's going to touch that same support line once again, multiple times before we get to the the explosion that happens like in October of 2020. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right here to this is DeFi Llama. I just want to show you guys this. Even in DeFi Llama, Matic Polygon is actually right behind Tron. It goes Ethereum, BSC, Tron, Polygon. So Polygon is making moves or getting new sponsorships, and people really like Polygon. It's a coin that people are hodling and they're not letting it go. And I've seen estimates for Matic from $3 to $7. I don't really know how high Matic can go, but I do believe that at the end of the day, Matic is one of the strongest coins that you can get into. And let me just show you this percentage from here. So from 2000 and let's see, December 2020 to the height of Matic was a wow, 13,000% move. Okay, so I don't believe 13,000% move would be crazy automatic, but you know you're only looking at a what $11 Matic. Are you telling me you don't think Matic can hit $11? The things that Matic is doing is wonderful, and I believe at the end of the day, Matic is one of the best coins you can get into, and I do believe Matic can definitely go very high. So if you like what you heard, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. I'd like to see you guys back again. If you want me to go over any coins, put them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.